have another bag for us to check out from Rent the Runway. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's Posh. Welcome back. And today I have another fun handbag review for you from Staud. I make videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I have another fun video for you. I really like to give you guys some options of more affordable, fun, high fashion pieces so you can get the style but get the high quality for less. I don't really care for designer dupes. I don't care for Amazon. That's not for me. I like high quality, real leather pieces. That's what I enjoy. I would hope that you guys enjoy the same thing. I don't recommend getting those pieces. If you do it, that's up to you. But I really like to find other pieces from maybe some less high-end designers, but you can get an amazing look for a less coin. So I am renting from Rent the Runway to try this look right here. I saw this bag. I have rented this version of the bag before in a different version. It was a few years ago and it just wasn't for me. It was a little stiff bag. It wasn't perfect. But then I saw this, and this is actually called Soft. So I have right here, guys, the Soft Moon bag from Staud. Look how freaking cute this bag is. I love this color because it's like an orange red too. This is the only color they had available on there. I do really like they have this really nice camel color that they have, and that's what I had rented before. I rented the moon bag in that version, and it is a very structured bag, but for me, I just didn't care for the look of it. It was a very smooth leather, and it just, I wasn't vibing as much. But when I saw this one that has the crinkled effect, like we are loving from Bottega Veneta, this is, we're seeing in different other stylists bringing this back, and this is super cute. So this one looks like I could actually fit it right here as a shoulder bag, because I did have the Mansur Gabrielle bag that is kind of similar to this. I'm getting those vibes, but I couldn't wear it on my shoulder, but this one I can. I really love the size of this bag and the price. This price of this bag is just under $400. I believe it's $395. So that's a great, excellent price point. This is 100% leather, and you have this cute, like minimal branding. The only branding you have really is the Staud. That is right here. And the closure is a magnetic closure, and they call this the moon bag, obviously, because it looks like a moon. And I am a hobo bag girl to my core. I just so love the hobo bag look. And the dimensions of this bag are, the height is 13 inches, your width is 11 inches, and your depth is 3 inches. So it looks like it would definitely carry everything you need, but I just think it's super stylish. You could wear this bag in the crook of your arm, but I love that I can actually wear it as a shoulder bag. I think that's so super cute and chic. So let's go ahead and put some things in her, shall we? So this is the bag I'm currently rocking. We've got Mama B in the house. So let's put like my normal necessities in here. Let's go with the mini pochette. Let's put that in here. Oh, I forgot to show you the inside right here. So the inside, you just have one little zip in the back and the magnetic closure. So let's put the pochette in there, fits perfectly. We have our Chanel. We need our keys to get into our office. Put that in there. And I have my clay right here, that in here. So I have everything in here. And what I noticed right off, like when you put your stuff in there, the magnetic closure isn't going to work. I mean, this isn't that many things. And the magnetic closure in this bag is a weak magnet. However, it is pretty structured and the stuff goes in, so I don't have a fear of anything falling out when I carry it or like this. So that is a plus as well. I really like the look of this a whole lot. I'm gonna see what other colors they have, because maybe like Staud bags do go on sale. Had purchased some of their bags before. I had gotten the clear bag from them that I got on sale when the PVC trend was in. I really loved it because it was such an affordable price. And I thought, well, you know, I can use that trend and it's not that expensive. So I do love Staud for those. I do love that this is 100% leather. It is super comfortable, you know, but you just have the weak magnet. But I really love this. What are you guys thinking of this bag? I feel like it fits all the necessities, everything that you would need in here. Let's compare it. I have the Bottega Veneta pouch. Let's compare. Obviously the Bottega has more puffiness to it, but I'm definitely getting those vibes. But this is a very unique bag, high fashion for sure. But it definitely is buttery soft. Like this leather, It's buttery soft, and it's a rental bag, which is why I love getting rental bags when I'm trying out brands. Not just for the fact that I just get to see the bag in person, see if I like it, but I can see the wear. I can see, okay, how's this handling it when other people are renting this bag out and using this bag? And I'm pretty impressed, guys. I'm not noticing any wear to this whatsoever. So I'm in the car, guys, and I was using this. I'm just noticing I missed this. So there's a little bit of wear. I mean, this is removable, but there is some wear to the little button snap feature on this part right here. So I wanted to show you that. It looks like there's a little wear to the side here that I didn't notice until I took it out. So that looks like that's the wear that will happen to the bag. What do you think, guys? Okay, guys, that is everything. Let me know what you think about this. Are you really liking me giving you some more high fashion options, but still high quality bags? Put it in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye, guys.